Did you know there is a purple flower that is small but has a powerful healing power? A scientist saved his arm because of it. Hello everyone, welcome to Find Your Aroma. Today we're going to talk about the story of lavender. Lavender is formed by a group of small purple-blue flowers blooming together at the end, which look like wheat ears covered with tiny hairs. They have slender stems, and the leaves are grayish-green. It is narrow and long, usually blooming in June, and the height of the plant can reach from 27 to 39 inches. The English name lavender is derived from the Latin lavare, which means washing. The ancient Romans often used lavender for bathing and incense because of its strong aroma and the fact that it can make people feel peaceful and calm. It has the effect of cleansing our body and mind. Lavender likes to live in a dry environment, so its origins are usually located in the Mediterranean region, among which the most famous ones are places like Provence and Hokkaido. Whenever the lavenders bloom and the wind blows, the entire lavender field will rise and fall like dark purple waves, which can be really romantic and healing. Next, let's take a look at the amazing things lavender has. Lavender has many functions. Among all of them, relaxation, skin repair, and gynecological soothing are the three most widely used by people. There are many beauty and bath products on the market, such as eye steam masks, shower gels, bath balls, etc., which all have contained or even featured lavender. And its effect related to gynecology is one of the big reasons why I like lavender. Lavender can promote blood circulation in a certain way, so when I can't do anything because of menstrual cramps, I will rub a little lavender oil on my lower abdomen and massage it a little bit. After a period of time, there will be an obvious relief. But if the pain is too severe, you still need to go see a doctor. Lavender is very helpful to the skin and can help people who have oily skin to balance their oil. Many people will mix it with a plant-based oil or lotion and put it on their skin. Usually, after squeezing a small amount of lotion on their hand and applying just one drop of lavender essential oil can be effective. In addition to balancing your body oil, lavender can also help speed up the growth of cells, which can improve scar tissue and stretch marks. It is recommended to mix it with sweet almond oil and apply it on scars or marks. At the same time, lavender also has an anti-infective effect on mosquito bites. You can directly put a drop of essential oil to where the bites are. Also, the aroma of lavender can be very helpful when you want to relax. So whoever is suffering from insomnia due to stress can use lavender essential oil to drip into a diffuser for fragrance. Or you can drip the essential oil on the pillow before going to bed in order to help mental relaxation and be able to sleep better. Since lavender is a very mild essential oil, there are many practical uses for lavender essential oil. However, even the mildest essential oil is the concentrate and essence extracted from many flowers. So it is still recommended that if you want to use it on the face or for pregnant women, babies, children, and the elderly, it is best to dilute the pure essential oil with some type of base oil, like coconut oil and baby oil, preferably only 1% concentration so that it will not irritate their relatively fragile skin and cause an injury. Another very important point is that no matter how mild the essential oil is, it should never be used directly on the mucosal tissue, such as the eyes, nasal cavity, etc. so as to avoid causing these organs to be too stimulated or uncomfortable. The smell of lavender is strong and a little soft at the same time. The fragrance of flowers is mixed with a tiny smell of grass, just like an elegant and gentle woman who embraces things that are not the same as her. That's why some people say the aroma of lavender is likened to a mother's love for her children. So many people will combine the aroma of lavender with the feeling of their mothers. However, everyone can have a different connection to the smell of lavender. There are good ones and bad ones. I have heard one of my friends say that when she smells lavender, she thinks of her toilet, because her toilet detergent at home has the smell of lavender. Do you have any special connection or imagination about the smell of lavender as well? Please feel free to share with us in the comments below. The stories of lavender. Legend has it, there was a girl in a village in province who met an injured traveler from afar, and her heart was captured by his smile. So, regardless of the opposition of the family, the girl insisted on taking care of him until he had recovered. The love between the two lovers quickly heated up to the point that they couldn't leave without each other. Soon, the young traveler said farewell to the girl, but the girl was so in love that she insisted on leaving with the young traveler. Although her family tried their best to have her stay, she still insisted to follow him to his hometown that was full of roses. Just before the girl was about to leave, an old lady from the village gave her a bunch of lavender, saying that lavender can make unclean things show their true form, and asked her to use the lavender to test the sincerity of the young traveler. So when the traveler held her hands and was about to leave, the girl threw the lavender that was hiding in her pocket onto the young man. Unexpectedly, after purple smoke came out from the young man, he disappeared with the wind. The girl was the only one standing in the wind alone. Not too long after that, the girl disappeared too. Some people thought that she turned into the purple smoke and flew into the valley just like the young man she loved. And the legend of lavender has been passing down until now. So even today, lavender is still considered to be one of the important tools for incense and expelling evil things. There's another very amazing story about lavender, which is so important that it has a lot to do with the development of modern aromatherapy. In 1928, a French scientist called René Maurice Gattefossé experienced a small explosion and burned his hand during an experiment to study the application of essential oils in cosmetics. Because of the pain, he subconsciously dipped his entire hand into a bucket of lavender essential oil next to him. And something amazing happened. He noticed that his hand was less in pain and that the scalded area was not blistered and it healed faster than he had expected. Most importantly, he did not get any scars from the burns and the scalds. This discovery sparked his interest in essential oil research and became the father of modern aromatherapy. After the two stories of lavender, don't you feel that lavender is really romantic and super powerful as well? Okay, our introduction about lavender today has come to an end. If you have any questions, opinions, or other stories or experience related to lavender, please leave a comment below and share with us. If you like our video, please give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification. We will regularly upload a video to share the basic knowledge and stories about modern aromatherapy, essential oils, and the aromatherapy insight cards with you. See you next time. Bye bye.